It's 1,000. It's a great day. Here we're going to celebrate. Anybody that's been here for a while probably remembers this very annoying popper gun. And remember how hard it was getting it to fire? We're not pulling the trigger. So it's a big day. We've got now 1,000 friends that are part of our little community. And I truly, truly appreciated it and reached out, had a couple sponsors that agreed to celebrate the day with us and stick around, see who they are and how we can proceed from here. I'm Ron, and this is my place. So it's been a big goal, 1,000 subscribers, friends. It's just been a wonderful ride. I truly, truly didn't expect any of it. Granted, there's a long way that we could go. Who knows what the future is going to hold? But what I will say is I wanted to provide my deepest thanks for spending any of the time you have watching what I'm enjoying doing, which is trying to help. So without any further ado, what we have going on is I reached out to a number of companies, and Matterhackers and Magigoo have both agreed to sponsor a giveaway to celebrate our 1,000 milestone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through a few of the rules and the legalese, if you will, that we're required to go through, and let me hit through some of the highlights and then we'll talk about the rest. So the first step is we are being officially sponsored by Matterhackers and Magigoo for this specific giveaway and this giveaway only. There's no purchase necessary. The description of the down below was going to have a list of the entire official rules. I'll have everything there, as well as also be linked on Gleam, which is where I'm going to utilize to do the giveaway. Unfortunately, due to legal situations, I am only going to be able to let the legal residents of the continental United States as being valid entries. I do apologize. I wish I could do more, but unfortunately I can't. And if you do win, you are going to have to provide a valid U.S. postal address so we can, of course, mail you the prize. The giveaway is going to begin at April 8th, 12:01 a.m. So it'll be first thing in the morning, and I'm going to have this video releasing shortly thereafter. And it's going to run for basically 2 weeks, almost 2 full weeks. And on April 20th at midnight, it's going to close. At that point, we will go through, and I have within a week, I will actually get 2 winners drawn, one for the prize for Matterhackers and one for the prize for Magigoo. And then you will get notified, and you have a week to get back to us. And if nobody does get back to us, we will do another drawing for it to end up giving away all the prizes. The 2 prizes that we are going to be able to give away is Matterhackers has donated graciously a roll of their Pro Pla, and you're going to get to choose the size, meaning 1.75 or 3mm filament, and as well as what the color you want. And then once they have that information and your address, they'll ship it out to you. And Magigoo has provided a applicator pen for their product that I'll also be able to give away. So once I have the winner and their address, I will ship that off to you, and you also can be a wonderful user of Magigoo. The different ways to win is going to be, of course, being a subscriber to Ron's Place, I think is a fair thing. And then at that point, you're going to visit, you can get another entry. The rest of these entries are optional. The first one, being a member of Ron's Place, is mandatory. You'll be visiting Matterhackers on Facebook, following them on Twitter, visiting them on Instagram, and also visiting the Magigoo website. All of those are optional, except for being a member of Ron's Place. And there's only going to be 1 prize awarded to each winner. There'll be 2 winners drawn, so each one will get a prize. And I will also have a link to the actual Gleam page down below. Okay, so I think that's covered everything, and I will say that all of the legal stuff, you start watching videos and doing research, and it gets way scarier than it probably should be. But I'm just trying to make sure we cover all the bases and try and be as fair as possible. I'm assuming everybody knows what Gleam is. Gleam is an application or a website that we're utilizing that allows random drawings. So basically, you're going to use all these things I mentioned. If you do each of them, you'll have up to 5 entries into the drawing. And then once all the drawings are there, all the entries are there, I'll end up doing the drawing once it closes, and I'll draw 2 separate random winners. And that should be it. It's pretty straightforward. At that point, I'll email you back and let you know that you won. And you need to get back with me. And once you get with me, we'll work out the shipping details, and yeah, we'll get you your prize. So that's the goal. Hopefully it all makes sense. Again, just to cover now that we got all that out of the way. So Matterhackers and Magigoo both responded, and it was very, very nice of them to support you all and help me celebrate this big milestone. So thank you very, very much to both of those. They were very gracious and easy to work with, and I truly, truly appreciate everything they did. But for now, that's kind of where we're at. Again, thank you all so much for being sticking around, watching. Hopefully you learned some stuff. I've learned from you. It's been great conversations. As always, make sure if you're not a subscriber that you subscribe. Ring the bell so you hear all the notifications. If you like what you see, hit that thumbs up. If you don't like it, don't worry about it. Hit thumbs down. Just tell me why. Let me know so we can kind of work through it. And I truly, truly, again, appreciate your time for being here. That's about all I've got. Thank you very much for the time, and good luck in the drawing, and we will see you on the next video.